So, Wall Street just wrapped up the week on a high note, even as Washington keeps stumbling through a shutdown. Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning, October 4th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. All right, let's get started. On Friday, the Dow climbed 0.5%, touching 47,000 for the very first time before pulling back a bit, but still setting a fresh record. The Standard & Poor's 500 barely managed to stay above the flat line, but that was still good enough for another record close. The Nasdaq slipped about 0.3% as Tesla shares dragged it down. Still, when you zoom out, all three major indexes closed out the week with gains of more than 1%. Now, here's the twist. Even though the government shutdown delayed the monthly jobs report, investors didn't seem to care much. Instead, they leaned on private data confirming what we've been seeing lately, a real slowdown in the labor market. But that wasn't enough to shake the market's mood. The real driver continues to be artificial intelligence hype. OpenAI's valuation soared to $500 billion, officially making it the most valuable startup in the world. Big names in Japan like Hitachi and Fujitsu also announced new collaborations with OpenAI and NVIDIA, sparking more optimism. And it wasn't just tech. Pharma stocks quietly had one of their best weeks in more than a decade. So even with political drama and no clear end to the shutdown, markets seem determined to march higher. All right, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again Monday morning for more market updates. See you then.